Good morning, my dear students. This is your science class and I am your Kiran ma'am. I am going to ask a question. Have you taken your breakfast? Did you make it yourself? You will say, no ma'am. We get it from our kitchen. You know, plants have also their kitchen and they make their food theirself. You know what is the process they make their food? The name of this process is photosynthesis. I repeat, photosynthesis. With the photosynthesis, you know, they make their food. The name of their food is glucose. And one more important thing is there. In this process, they release oxygen gas. Oxygen, which is essential for us. We can't survive without oxygen in this earth. So, photosynthesis is the process which contains whole life of this earth. How interesting this topic is? We will see the conditions necessary for the photosynthesis. What is the requirement of photosynthesis? What is required things? Required things are carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. You know, we get our food material from the market, but plants are unable to go to market. But how they get these required things? They get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. You know, atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide. They get water from the earth. They get chlorophyll from the chloroplast and they get sunlight from the sun. I repeat, they get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, water from the earth, chlorophyll from the chloroplast and sunlight from sun. There are some structural conditions which is essential for this process. The process is photosynthesis. Structure of leaves, structure of stomata, structure of chloroplast. We will see one by one. First one, structure of leaves. You can see here, I have a leaf. Yes? This is the marginal area of leaf. You know, stomata are available in the marginal area of the leaves. Yes, here, there. And second one is in the middle part of the leaf, one molecule of magnesium. One molecule of magnesium which is responsible for absorption of light, sunlight. I repeat, one molecule of magnesium which is responsible for absorption of sunlight, which is required thing. You have seen. And chlorophyll, chloroplast. Yes, chloroplast is the kitchen of the plant where photosynthesis is happening. Xylem tissues. You can see here, this is the root of the plant. Xylem tissue is available there. Like a pipe, like shape like of xylem tissue is as like pipe, and it travels water from the earth to tip area and from the earth to required area. Next one is phloem. Phloem is the tissue which distribute food material from each and every part of the plants. You got it? Next structure is structure of stomata. Structure of stomata. Stomata is here, as you have seen, and there is a guard cell in the stomata. You can see here. There are two conditions of guard cell. First condition is open condition and second condition is closed condition. We can see here. This is open condition and this is night condition. Open condition for the daytime and closed condition for the night time. And then the structure of chloroplast, which is most important. Here we can see here, this is the structure of chloroplast. You can see here, here is plate-like structure, plates-like structure. It is called granum, and liquid-like structure. It is called stroma. Those parts are responsible to making the food of plants. Yes. The process. We can see the process. Here is two more things. First more thing is diffusion and second more thing is chemical reaction. What is diffusion? You can see here. Diffusion is a process. It's the process of traveling. It's the process of transportation. Transportation from higher concentration to lower concentration. You will understand after this example. You know, our atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is essential thing, is required thing for the photosynthesis. Whenever plants requirement is develops, then the level of carbon dioxide is lower in our stomata and higher in our atmosphere. Then the traveling is start. Traveling to higher concentration to lower concentration, and stomata get their material of food. Now CO2 is here for the photosynthesis, and second one, you know, in this process oxygen will release. When oxygen will release, then concentration will higher in the guard cell and lower in the atmosphere. So oxygen is traveling this time, and this process is called diffusion process, which is essential for the photosynthesis. Second one is light energy convert into chemical energy, and energy is actual thing which is required for each and every living things, as like plant, as like us. How plants get their energy? You can see this chemical reaction. Here is 6 molecule of CO2, 6 molecule of H2O, this CO2, 6 molecule of H2O, this water, and in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of chlorophyll, the products make 6 molecule of six molecule of carbon, 12 molecule of hydrogen and 6 molecule of oxygen. This is glucose. This is combinedly called glucose. And one more thing which is most important is oxygen gas. And the glucose is product. Glucose is the food of plants, and this process is because of this. So we have finished our topic. We will see you